Hey guys, it's Matt with CJ Off-Road here, and today in the studio I've got Jason from MBRP. Now Jason is down and we've obviously got our brand new F-150 up here on the rack, and we're going to be installing a brand new exhaust. Now Jason, you are from MBRP, so tell me a little bit more about the company, what kind of parts you guys make.
Yeah, absolutely, thanks a lot. MBRP is an emissions compliant exhaust company out of Ontario, Canada. We offer a wide range of exhausts from power sports, diesel and gas trucks, sport compact, muscle, and even European applications.
See, what's neat too is you obviously offer a ton of off-road parts. So we just installed an exhaust on a JL. We've done a ton of exhausts on pretty much every truck you can think of. Now today is no different. We've got a 2021 F-150 and you guys have a brand new kit out here. This is going to be your Pro Series kit. So what's this one made of, and what kind of benefits can a truck owner get out of this kit?
Yeah, absolutely. This is a T304 stainless steel. One of the nice things with this kit is we offer it with or without the resonator. Both pipes come in the box. The user can decide the tone they want to hear in their exhaust, which is one of the things we really strive for, is that the end user can pick what they want to get the sound and look that they truly want out of their exhaust.
And like you said, T304 too, so that's a really good grade stainless steel. In Pennsylvania, you know you're a Pennsylvania native, so we get a ton of salt, we get a ton of road grime. I mean, the winters are pretty rough here. So this is gonna look good and last a lifetime on this truck.
You figure if it was made to work in Canada, it can handle Pennsylvania winters as well.
Absolutely. So we've got everything laid out here on the table. It looks awesome. Got all the clamps. And then, like you said, resonated and non-resonated. So we'll be able to test both of those out, see how they both sound, and then kind of give you guys what both of them will sound like to choose which one's right for you. And like you said, both of them are in the box. So if you like it louder, you like it quieter, you have the ability to change it out.
Change it out whenever you want.
So with that being said, we've got everything ready to go. Truck's up on the rack. We'll give you guys a sound clip of what it sounds like stock, and then we'll throw this whole kit in, give you both sound bites so you can really see what the entire process is like and the end goal. So let's get it done.
Let's do it.
Well guys, we're under the truck. We've got it underneath our lift here and properly supported. Now what Brennan's doing is he's gonna remove the two bolts that hold the front section with a flange on. And they're gonna be 13mm bolts. There's no nuts on the back. They are just welded right into the backside. So the first thing we're gonna do is get those both removed and then work our way towards the back of the exhaust. Now we're gonna remove the four 10mm bolts that hold the frame hanger brackets onto the frame. So with those two brackets removed, you can simply push the exhaust back towards the rear of the vehicle and it will drop down like so. Definitely be careful when you're doing that. And if it is on the ground, it'll be okay. You can still just remove the whole thing and that'll actually catch it. Up here in the lift is a little bit higher. So we're gonna go ahead and get this removed and so we can start installing the MBRP exhaust. Now that you have the factory exhaust removed, the first pipe that we're gonna install is gonna be the non-resonated pipe. So this is basically just gonna be a straight pipe into the muffler. So we're gonna get this one installed onto that factory flange using the factory hardware. We're gonna get everything else put on, show you the sound clip of this, and then put in the resonated one. This is gonna be the exact same installation as if you would have the resonated piece. You would just go ahead and use that one instead of this straight pipe. So just put those factory bolts in and then we can keep moving back towards the back. Go ahead and get both of them snugged up using a 13mm socket. So with this extension pipe, there are directions included that tell you where to cut depending on your vehicle. Now we have a Super Crew with the 5.5-foot box, so we're gonna cut this at a specific measurement that is listed in the instructions and go ahead and get it on. Now make sure to follow the instructions closely and you can figure out what kind of truck you have on there and what length to cut it. We're gonna go ahead and do that and then come back and move on to the rest. Now that we have our midsection pipe completely cut to the right length, we're gonna go ahead and slide that on. Remember a band clamp? And then go ahead and grab our next piece, which is actually going to be the muffler. The next step here is to attach this clamp mechanism that MBRP includes. And it's a proprietary design that helps you utilize the factory clamps onto one of their band clamps. We have that attached there, and the next step is to install the muffler. So we're gonna have Brendan set that into place just by sliding it into that center section. And then we're gonna do the over axle pipe into the above hanger, and we can get everything kind of held up into place here a little bit better before we move on to the tailpipe. Now we can go ahead and slide this smaller section pipe into the clamp. We use a little bit of WD-40 so we can slide it in and then get the muffler into that pipe. A little bit of maneuverability here. Next, we're gonna put the over the axle section on. Make sure you remember a band clamp. So then the last step is to go ahead and install your MBRP tip in the location that you like, and then get it tightened down using a 5/16 inch Allen key, either just a regular one or a socket like we have. and then go back and snug down all your band clamps, and then we can start this thing up and see how it sounds. All right, let's fire it up and we're gonna hear how the stock exhaust sounds. All right guys, we're gonna fire it up and hear how it sounds with no resonator. This is gonna be the loudest it can be. And we do have a 3.5 liter EcoBoost, so that's just a point of reference for what we've got in the truck. All right guys, well that's a wrap on this installation of the MBRP Pro Series exhaust on this 2021 F-150. Overall guys, I was really impressed at how quickly we did this exhaust. You know, it didn't really take that long to remove the factory and install this one. Now obviously this is a brand new truck, so if you have an older truck, you're gonna use a little bit of WD-40 to help get some of those bolts off. But Jason, now you've heard both sounds. What's neat about that? Which one did you like the best? I mean, out of both?
Personally, I like the non-resonated version. The owner chose to go with the other option with the resonator. But again, the great thing with the MBRP kit is you can choose the option you like the best. And if you change your mind, change it out later.
Yeah, that was kind of neat too. So we actually, when we did this entire install, we swapped out both pipes and it was relatively easy. I mean, we were done in about 5 minutes. So if you crawl under there, remove some bolts, you can get it and swap it out. So say you have a 5 liter and you want it to be a little bit louder or a little mild, you can go ahead and do that. This is a 3.5, so you guys heard exactly what it'll sound like with a 3.5. Now if you have it a little bit longer, different bed configuration, it might sound a tad bit different, but not really too much. Now overall, Jason, though, thank you for coming in. We really appreciate it. I think this was a great install, and I think it sounded great too. So definitely if you guys want to check out this exhaust, be sure to visit cjponyparts.com, where you can check out all these MBRP products, as well as a ton of other great parts for your truck. So until next time, Jason, thanks for coming out, and I'll see you guys on the trail.
Thanks for having me.